Hello guys, and hope you're doing well. In this video I will update my iceriver Al2 Lite firmware. So Red Panda just posted his live video right there. He had the link in his Discord, so I have it just right there in the Discord. When you click the pin messages under Red Panda asic mining, I also added the link to my Discord in Al0, Al2 Lite, and Al3 channel, so you can go ahead and get it from there, or just go to Red Panda and click on the pin messages, and you will be able to find the very up one. You will just click directly, and you can download the firmware. So I just did download the firmware. It's came. Let's see, does it come to, yeah, it comes a zip file, so we're gonna unzip it. All right, so I'm gonna click that, extract all, and we should get this folder with the update. All right, perfect. So you're gonna have file just like that, and now you're ready to update your firmware. So we're gonna go to the miner, open the link. Where is my Al2, which is right there. I believe it's this one. I actually just had to restart it yesterday or a day ago. It's not been that bad. I mean, I have it probably so far restarted probably 3 or 4 times only, but still it's kind of annoying when it's you don't notice and it could stay there for a day and nothing happening. So I'm gonna go to downloads, the one we just downloaded, and I'm gonna select this update firmware. Hopefully that patch will work, so we'll click in update and gonna wait for a few minutes. All right, you're gonna get message operation succeed. Click OK and restart the machine. So we'll wait for until machine restarted, and we'll go ahead and come back to the home then. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. It's back to mining. Looks like it's normal hash rate. I usually get a little bit extra over 2 terahash, like 2100, sometimes 2050 or 2125, like 5-minute hash rate right now. So it's not that bad. On the Viper pool, average 2.12 terahash, so 2.12, and it's doing about 9, I believe 9.5 Elysium a day. Oh, no, I'm sorry, that's not for, it's Al3. This one doing it 1.5 Elysium a day. Let's look what hash rate data no calling for this miner real quick. Let's go there. So looks like we have Al. Let's just put iceriver here, ice, and we right there, ice. All right, so we have Al2 Lite supposed to be doing 155. So yeah, pretty close. It's about what I'm getting. Very close to hash rate. No, it's a little bit extra now showing here. Yeah, that's about it, I guess, guys. Just go ahead, check it out, this new firmware, and you'll be able to hopefully run without restarting 2.2 now. Okay, cool. All right, that's it. This very short video. Just want to kind of point it out. I guess some guys there was commenting that they have an issue with this Al2 and iceriver. They don't have on their website. They're only available Firmware right now it's for KS2 Lite or any Caspa miners. So they have only Caspa miners. You can select any AL miners, which is AL0, AL2 Lite, and AL3. They're not here yet. So anyways, go check it out, the Discord, and or check my Discord in the, I have under AL0, AL2 Lite. You can go ahead and click on that link and download this release just right here. So you'll be able to unzip it and install it. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.